Hey everyone, just want to go through a quick little spackle tip for you. I want to show you something here on the wall. We have this area here where an electrician was making pilot holes to find this hidden outlet, and now we got to spackle over it. But if you can see, we've got the holes that were drilled, have a little material on the outside. If you try to spackle right over this, it will not be smooth. So you take the end of your spackle knife, and all you do is push in on the hole like this with some pressure. And now you can see it pushed everything in. And it's gonna be ready to spackle right over this spot without having anything sticking up through your spackle. You can make it nice and flush just by applying pressure on the handle of your spackle knife. So if this was a helpful tip for you, please give me a thumbs up on the video. Really appreciate your help, everyone. Have a great day.